everyone, I'm Julusin Cicidino from BSA Block A. Today, I'll be sharing my thoughts and understanding about two important parts of our life, the spiritual aspect and the digital aspect of the self. This help us grow not only as individuals but also as responsible members of society. The spiritual aspect of the self is about our inner beliefs, faith, and values. It's not only about religion but more about finding peace, purpose, and connection with ourselves, with others, and with something greater than us. When we talk about spirituality, it means asking questions like who am I, what is my purpose, and how can I live a meaningful life. It guides us to do what is right, to be kind, and to stay hopeful even in difficult times. Our spiritual side help us stay calm, make moral decisions, and show compassion towards others. For example, when we pray, meditate, reflect, or simply help others, we are nurturing our spiritual aspect. It gives us direction and reminds us that life is not just about success or money, but also about inner peace and doing good things for others. So next is the digital aspect of the self. This refers to how we present ourselves and behave online. In a digital world, we use social media, messaging apps, and other online platforms every day. Our digital aspect shows how we communicate, what we share, and how we treat people in online space. Being responsible in the digital world means thinking before posting, respecting others' privacy, avoiding fake news and cyberbullying and hate speech, and using technology for learning, creativity, and connection, not distraction. When we post online reflects our personality and values. So it's important to always show respect and kindness even behind a screen. Remember, our digital action have a real effects. Being responsible digital citizens means using the internet wisely and positively. By understanding both, we balance our inner world and online world, becoming better and more mindful individuals. Thank you, and yun lang po.